Women are 2 times more likely to become depressed during the menopausal transition. When weight gain is an issue, it can make things even worse. This was the case with Cynthia, one of my patients. She said, "I don't recognize myself anymore. I've gained 61 pounds, my mood is terrible, and I feel like I'm losing my mind. I used to weigh 138 pounds, now I can barely look in the mirror." Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle medicine physician. Cynthia is 54 years old, and like so many women I see, she felt betrayed by her own body. She'd been managing bipolar disorder for years with medications, but things had changed dramatically in the last several years. The weight gain began slowly during perimenopause and then accelerated. Her knee arthritis pain was getting worse. She developed food sensitivities. Her skin was breaking out like a teenager's, and the sugar cravings, they were absolutely relentless. "I feel like I'm fighting a losing battle," she told me during one of our sessions. She had recently lost her only sibling who had a long battle with cancer. This sent her into a deeper spiral. She came to me to help manage her mood, but also let me know she had just started a new treatment with a gynecologist, menopause hormone therapy. She described the improvement as remarkable, both physically and mentally. Here's what you need to know about menopause and mental health. When your estrogen and progesterone decrease, it's not just about hot flashes. Your brain has to adapt to this change. Estrogen is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps with mood regulation, memory, and even pain perception. When it drops, things may feel harder. Studies show that women are 2 times more likely to develop depression during the menopausal transition. That's not a coincidence, it's biology. Unfortunately, when people like Cynthia present their problems to their doctors, they tend to treat them as separate issues. Mood issues get antidepressants, weight gain gets GLP-1s, joint pain gets anti-inflammatory medications. But they're missing the root cause. Cynthia's hormone replacement therapy include 3 key components: estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Within weeks, something incredible happened. Her sugar cravings, the ones that had her reaching out for cookies at 3 a.m., went away. It's like someone turned off a switch, she told me. Her arthritis pain, which had been keeping her awake at night, started improving. Her skin cleared up, and perhaps most importantly, for someone managing bipolar disorder, her mood swings became more stable. If this sounds familiar, you're not imagining it. And you're not alone. Research shows that hormone replacement therapy can significantly improve mood, cognition, and quality of life during the menopausal transition. Here's the second thing that transformed Cynthia's journey. We addressed her inflammation. Menopause creates a perfect storm of inflammatory changes in your body. Your declining hormones trigger inflammatory pathways that affect everything from your joints to your brain. Cynthia started taking pharmaceutical-grade omega-3s, vitamin D, and turmeric. But here's the key. We didn't just throw supplements at her. We tested her levels first. Many women are walking around with severe vitamin D deficiency and don't even know it. The third breakthrough occurred when we examined her sleep and movement. Cynthia had been avoiding exercise because of her joint pain and fatigue. But we started small, just 20 minutes of brisk walking in her neighborhood twice a week. A few months later, she was feeling much better and sleeping through the night. What was also amazing was that Cynthia began to progressively lose weight. This shows that your body responds better when your hormones are balanced. In her case, the sugar cravings, food sensitivities, joint aches, and skin issues were resolved. I see similar cases in my clinic regularly. Now, I want to be clear. Hormone replacement therapy isn't right for everyone. Cynthia was a good candidate because she had no history of breast cancer, blood clots, or cardiovascular disease. This is why it is essential to provide your doctor with a comprehensive medical history. A year later, Cynthia is a different person, not just physically, but mentally. "I feel like myself again," she told me recently. "For the first time in years, I have hope." Now, she didn't lose all of the 61 pounds, but she lost 50. Her bipolar disorder is still managed with medication, but she has remained stable. To find out how another very important hormone can affect weight and mental health, check out this next video.